This video is a little bit of a response to the video I put out on Sunday, where the supposed ex-police officer knocked the cyclist off. A close pass of a cyclist is no good in any scenario.
Delta Foxtrot 65, Delta Sierra.
So it's right that this driver of this car, who actually sent me this clip, was given a driver improvement course, although I don't feel it was particularly bad. That is, compared to this lady's actions, who did this to a cyclist but received no action against her. Is this fair? Let me know what you think in the comments.